Tenderize meat quickly, consistently, and comfortably with Backyard Pro meat tenderizers. These units are ideal for butcher shops, meat purveyors, and hunters. Turn tough meat and poultry into soft, juicy cuts. Tenderizers reduce cook times and minimize product shrinkage to ensure even cooking. The cuber tenderizes meat to easily absorb marinades and rubs for added flavor. Units have a lightweight welded cast aluminum design. The poly base offers sturdy and secure operation. 2 clamps are included for securing units to tabletops up to 1.5 inches thick. Their dual blade design comes with 31 stainless steel blades that slice without ripping the meat. The 2 steel combs guide meat and prevent the unit from jamming. Some units include a jerky blade set that slices wide strips, ideal for making jerky. The tenderizers are available in motorized or manual units. The manual units can be made electric with a 2-speed attachable motor. Combining versatility and reliability, Backyard Pro units easily cube and tenderize any cut of meat.